When you scroll on Instagram and you find an incredible post, you realize it's AI. How disappointed are you? Over 20 years of photography experience have shown me that generated AI image will add more value to my photography. Actually, AI is good for photography in general. The easy way of using text prompter to upload a reference image and create a perfect photo scares photographers. People getting their professional headshots enhance AI, it's scary. What about stock photos, even advertising? Well, those types of photography will suffer a bit in the beginning, yes. But imagine the power of a sticker saying, "Not AI generated." That will increase the trust on the buyer for sure. I strongly believe even product photography will benefit from AI assistant, not really AI generated images. What about events? Would you generate fake wedding photos? Would you trust an article that has AI generated photos? Self-love photo shoot, like the one we are doing today with Michaela, will be replaced by AI photo shoots? That ideal pose, dress, space, moment, and memory didn't exist. I feel those fake realities created by AI, I'm not a psychologist, but it will be even worse for someone's self-esteem. That is the purpose of a photo shoot like this. And the people who see your likeness on AI-generated image, they will feel that you are cheap, superficial, and in general, a fake person. Let's make an important point. Stop calling AI-generated image AI art. It's not art. To be art must be generated by humans, not by a human prompter, okay? You have to do the hard work. To prove my point, here's a small example. This view is aesthetically pleasing. Mother Nature is an artist. In this case, artist is used as an euphemism, period. Let's get to the chase. Why AI-generated image will add more value to photography? And I will start by talking about painting, something that photography was supposed to replace. Photos are much faster to reproduce, cheaper, less difficult than painting, well, in general. And it didn't. Actually, paintings become more valuable, more appreciated, as most famous names came after photography. Monet, Picasso, Van Gogh. But why? Because they express emotion, feelings, a reality within the artist, not as photography that shows the reality as it is. This is a big trophy for photography over AI-generated images. It's real. To better illustrate how AI will add more value to photography, I am doing a photo shoot with the beautiful Michaela, who's an influencer, works with people health, a gym lover, a warrior spirit, and I know from experience, a charismatic person. In this space is our canvas, the light is our paint, and Michaela and I are the artists. My knowledge of photography, light, composition, and her power, motivation, and very important, her personality to create art together is something that AI cannot replicate. We are here, this space exists, this moment, soon to be soon, a memory exists. These photos tell a story of the real Michaela. It's her on these photos. I mean, I could go to Midjourney or Gemini, type a bunch of text and have a perfect generated image with Michaela's likeness instead of all the knowledge of photography that I need, all the investment in photography gear, and Michaela, all her knowledge of personal development, training, balanced eating, even mental health. This is too much work for an Instagram post? Yes, it is. But I want to photograph more than Michaela's likeness. I want to photograph her personality, her feelings. It's the first time that she's reading this text. And what makes her unique? We want to create art. We want to inspire people. These AI-generated images can't do that. What it creates is an image of a space that didn't exist, a moment that we didn't live, of memories that we don't have. And the photos are there. But the most important thing for me and for all my clients, we know these AI-generated images aren't real. I want the real Michaela. I want Michaela to feel happy about herself, about the results of my work. And I want in 20, 30 years, she and her loved ones look at these photos with love. And that only photography can. AI is here to stay, and hell, I use AI assistant tools on my workflow to be more efficient, to better serve my clients. However, all generated AI images are elevating old school photography from real photos to the new wave of authentic photos. Still, my biggest problem with AI in general is not how it is being used, but how it's being trained.